In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 1095A on TurboTax. If you received a Form 1095A from the Health Insurance Marketplace, it's important to enter it correctly in your tax return. This form is used to report marketplace health coverage, and TurboTax has a specific section for it. I'll walk you through exactly where to find that section and how to get started. First, from inside your TurboTax return, go to the Deductions and Credits section. This area includes a lot of different tax topics, so don't worry if you don't immediately see anything related to health insurance on the screen. The goal here is simply to get into the part of TurboTax where you can search for the form you need. Once you click into Deductions and Credits, you'll be in the right place to continue. Next, use the search field and type in 1095. This is the quickest way to jump directly to the correct topic without having to scroll through all the available deduction and credit categories. As you type, TurboTax should bring up matching results related to health insurance forms. This can save time and help you avoid selecting the wrong section, especially since there are multiple types of 1095 forms, and they're not all entered the same way. After that, look for the option labeled Health Insurance Marketplace, Form 1095A, and click Start. This is the section specifically designed for entering the information from your marketplace insurance form. Once you select Start, TurboTax will begin guiding you through the entry process for Form 1095A. As you move forward from this point, make sure you have your physical or digital copy of Form 1095A available so you can enter the details exactly as shown. Accuracy matters here because this form is tied to premium tax credits, and even a small mismatch can affect your return or cause processing delays. A good tip is to double check each number before moving to the next screen. Also, make sure you're using Form 1095A specifically, not a different version like 1095B or 1095C, since those are handled differently and usually aren't entered in the same way. If your form says it came from the Health Insurance Marketplace, then you're in the correct section, and that's how to find and start adding your 1095A in TurboTax. Once you're in the right area, TurboTax will guide you through the remaining prompts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.